What's up, family? So today I'm gonna show you how to use Coinbase, because I know when I first used it I didn't know what was going on like how to use it or anything like that. So when you first log on your Coinbase.com, it's gonna show your profile balance. See, got that much right there. You scroll down, get $10 in free crypto. That's always a good thing. You will have to set up that reoccurring buy. You got your watch list right here, all these different coins right here that Coinbase offer. And you got this right here. This earns you rewards, so this is basically free money. That's something you always want to get. You just have to watch a couple videos, then take a multiple choice thing, and you could keep on guessing on that, but I'm gonna show you how to do that today. So then I'm gonna click profile balance. I mean profile, you know what I mean, y'all. But you scroll down, and this is gonna show me all my different type of assets on what I own. You always want to spread your stuff, not just get one coin. But I'm not no financial advisor, so don't listen to me. You got your prices right here. It's all the different type of prices. You know, Bitcoin, that's a big boy right there. That's over 59,000. You got your Ethereum, Cardano, Litecoin, Uniswap, all these different ones. I know when Coinbase first started, they did not have this money at all. Not much at all. So they stepping their game up. You got the For You. Now this is where you could get your education from, the news and stuff like that. What is DeFi? Got over here, what is mining? This is real good stuff though. Education, let's see. Tax guy, you know Uncle Sam. He don't play about his money. So you got what to read, watch, stream. So this is some like real good stuff though. Then you got your earn rewards. Like I said, this is very important. This is free money. We all like free money. So I'm gonna do one for y'all. Let's do this one. So I'm gonna earn some XLM. So want me to watch like a video? You really don't have to if you really don't want to. It's gonna have me take a quiz. Now you keep on guessing until you get it right. Try again. Let's try that again. Man, my guessing is off. There we go. See? I just earned $2 of that. Just like that. Now, you keep on going and get all the rewards. That's always a good thing. We like free money. You got your notification over here. Show all the different type of notifications you getting on this account. You got your buy and sell. So for example, say I want to get like $5. I want to buy something for $5. Let's do some Ethereum Classic. Now I'm gonna hit preview buy. So the price for Ethereum Classic is $20.04 right now. I got my bank account already linked up. I'm paying with that. Purchase $4.01. Coinbase fee 99 cents. So the total would be $5. Now you click buy now if you want to buy it. I'm not doing that today. Now if I want to sell, I would just pick which coin I want to sell off. Let's do Ethereum Classic. If I want to sell all, you could click sell all, and then what you want to do is just hit sell now, and that's basically it. Now to convert a coin to another coin, you just go to this convert section. It's Ethereum Classic. So if I want to convert Ethereum Classic to Ethereum, or like another coin, say I want to get some Decentraland, that's gonna be a big boy coin. Let's say I want to do like $5 of it. So I'm gonna preview the convert. That. And then you hit convert now. That's how you do that. And you got your send and receive over here. So if I want to send some Ethereum Classic to like another wallet, I know some people is familiar with MetaMask. I'm gonna do a video on that, and like other different type of wallets. You got your Nano X, Ledger, and all these other automatic wallet, all these different type of wallets. So if I want to send the stuff I got on Coinbase to another wallet, like I say, you go to send, and the amount I would want to do, or if I just wanted to do send all. And then it's very, very important that you get that address right, because you could be sending money to another person or not sending it at all and it get lost in the sauce. You don't want that. You lose all your money. Do a little test run before you do that, just to double check. Play about your money. So just for example, I'm gonna do a video on sending things to different wallets. But if I get the address, hit continue. It will even say, please enter a valid email, mobile, or address. So it's trying to help you out in a way. But I just wanted to show you that little example. So receive. If you send crypto to the wrong address, Bitcoin to a Bitcoin Cash address, your crypto will be lost. So you do understand that though. I'm gonna skip that for now. So it'll give you the actual address to my Ethereum Classic. So you can copy and paste it. It's the easiest thing to do, but you still want to double check it. Always double check your stuff. Don't play around with that. But that's basically it though. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.